Hi, this is Pete Thompson, your Chicago area mortgage guy with Milton Manolis, our regional renovation expert. And today we're going to talk a little bit about property types. It's like I think people think of when they think of renovation loans, they're thinking of houses that are falling down. But it's not just homes that you can do, and it's not just homes that are falling down, obviously. It's going to be any type of home. And what other types of properties can you do a renovation loan with?
We get a lot of questions, Pete, about if these loans will work on are they just for single family? And the answer is no. I mean, you could rehab a condo, you can rehab a multi-unit property, a 2 to 4 unit building, and so there's really it's pretty much wide open on the property type.
So townhomes, condos, 1 to 4.
Absolutely.
One thing on condos, it's because if you have an FHA, the condo has to be FHA approved. It has to have already gone through a whole process, and not every complex is going to be FHA approved. In fact, most won't be. So you can do the home style renovation with those.
That is correct, and
right.
You can, which is a conventional loan. Of course, the work is going to be limited to the inside of the condo, and quite often we have borrowers who update their kitchens, who add appliances, and they want updated paint and carpeting and such, and it works out quite well because they don't really have to worry about the outside.
Makes sense.
Yeah,
tremendously. Great. And how about it? So again, you're looking at, you said 1 to 4 unit buildings. So if you're going to be buying a multi-unit type of building, that means that you can occupy one space and have your renters basically helping you with the rent then and renovate the property at the same time.
This is a gem because we will finance the rehab and the improvement of all the units. So if somebody's buying a multi-unit property, say a 4-unit,
sure,
they're going to live in one of the units, but we are going to rehab all 4 units. And so what happens is obviously they're renting out the other 3 that have recently been updated and could potentially demand higher rental income. And like you say, help them offset the mortgage payment and build equity doing it.
And being that if you're buying, for example, a 3 or 4 unit, those are selling based on the amount of rent that you're generating. So if you're able to increase the rent, you're increasing the value of the property.
There's a lot more opportunity in those multi-units, Peter, because there's fewer cash buyers for them. And what we've seen is a lot of those type of buildings have been trashed. Literally, they've a lot of the tenants have treated them poorly, and they're in need of repair. And as such, there's fewer cash buyers at those price points, and so there is an opportunity for those homeowners.
And again, if you're looking at a 3 or 4 unit, for example, you can do FHA 3.5% down.
That is correct.
Fix the property, increase the rents, increase the values.
That's correct.
Wow.
That's it.
That is an amazing thing. I mean, it's something we do on a regular basis, and I've always been amazed at this opportunity, and it's a great thing to do.
Absolutely.
So if you have any questions at all about property types in general, if you have any questions about how the renovation process works, please give me a call. Again, Pete Thompson, your Chicago area mortgage guy. And thank you again, Milton. And give us a call, and we'll see you soon.